Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is another styling one piece for every season. I filmed a couple of other videos like this one in the past, and I thought I would do another one because I was toying with what pieces I'm going to keep from my spring and summer wardrobe and keep styling them into my autumn and winter wardrobe, which then led me to thinking about how I can style this piece for every season. So as I'm sure you've gathered from the title of today's video, my item of choice is the satin slip maxi dress. Now this is something that has been so trendy throughout spring and summer, but it's a trend that isn't going anywhere throughout autumn and winter. So I'm certain that we will see these being styled so much more throughout the colder months as well. And for that reason, I wanted to share a few outfit ideas for every single season. So I'm styling this dress for spring, summer, autumn and winter. By the way, if you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed, I thought I would quickly introduce myself. So hello, my name is Patricia and I upload lots of fashion and styling videos here on my YouTube channel, including how to style videos, ways to wear videos, seasonal styling videos like this one, and also outfit ideas. So if that's your kind of thing and you want some more fashion and style inspiration, then please do subscribe to my channel. It's completely free to subscribe, and it just means that every week when I upload a video, it will pop up in your subscription box so that you can have a watch and stay up to date with my upcoming uploads. So the item I've picked out to style in today's video is a black satin slip maxi dress. This was such a staple in my spring and summer wardrobe, so I really wanted to challenge myself and style it up for autumn and winter as well. As we are currently in autumn, it makes the most sense to start off with my autumnal inspired outfit. So for autumn, I'm styling this dress with a camel blazer. I love a blazer come autumn and winter. I'm so excited to bring out my collection and to start styling up some of my favorite blazers. And this camel blazer is definitely a firm staple within my collection. Rather than wearing it open, which is how I would usually wear my blazers, I'm really enjoying accessorizing using belts at the moment. So I decided to add this black leather belt with a really large gold buckle. The reason I wanted quite a large buckle with this belt was because it's quite a plain and basic look. So adding some more detail with accessories, for instance, as I have done here with the large gold buckle on this belt, I think really transforms the look. And it also really helps to cinch in the waist as well, as it drags the eye line to that focal point of your body, accentuating a smaller waistline. When it comes to footwear, I decided to go for chunky loafers. Now this isn't a combination that I have ever done, I don't think. I don't usually pair chunky loafers like this with such feminine outfits like this slinky dresses, but I'm really loving how the two of these look together. I really do think that the addition of a chunky loafer really helps make the look just more autumn ready, you know? I think the chunky loafers really help to balance out the look and give it more of a smart casual twist. And then for my bag, I went for a classic black bag. This is a little shoulder bag, and the reason I thought this paired really nicely with this outfit is because this bag also has some large gold buckle hardware detailing as well, which you can see on the shoulder strap, and I just thought that complemented the gold buckle really beautifully as well. I always like matching hardware, for example, and matching jewellery, so that's something I really enjoyed with this outfit, and I just think it's a very chic yet casual outfit idea for autumn. Now moving on from autumn styling to winter styling. Now I will say that winters in London are typically quite mild, so if you're in a country where it snows every single day in winter, for example, this outfit probably won't be the most suitable. However, if you are in a city like London or a country like the UK where the winters are typically a bit more mild, I do think this is a great city inspired outfit. So like I said, I had to think about the layers here, so what I did was add a roll neck top under this dress. I really love layering like this actually. I think you can do it in a more bold way by incorporating a different colour, but I wanted to keep it really chic and really classic, so I went for a black roll neck top worn under my dress, and I feel like this just adds that extra layer. You've got the sleeves there, you've got the high neck to keep you a little bit warmer, and of course, as this is a long dress, underneath you could even wear some leggings or some tights, just extra extra layers to keep you warmer for longer throughout the winter. For my footwear, I chose a pair of sock boots. The reason I love boots like this that are quite tight fitting on the leg is because it gives the illusion of a really slimline effect, and it just makes you look taller and more elegant as well. So I absolutely love adding boots with long layers and long pieces like this dress is, and I think it contrasts really beautifully to the satin material of the dress as well. Then of course, if we're talking winter, we need to talk coats and outerwear. I decided to go for just a really quite casual, I would say, robe style grey coat. Now it's large, it's oversized, we've got a belt buckle if you do want to do it up, or if you want to wear it open like I have done throughout this video. It's just a really easy throw on layering piece. I decided to keep it in the cool tone, so by adding a grey to this outfit, just because the winter months, cold vibes, cool tones kind of make a lot of sense to me. And then for my bag, again, I kept it simple with a black bag. Now I know that this isn't the most colourful outfit, it's not the most out there, but if I think about my style and staying true to my personal style, this is exactly the kind of outfit that I would wear throughout the winter. From winter styling to spring styling next. Thinking about spring, it's all about lighter layers and a lighter colour palette as well. So for my spring outfit, I've gone for a monochromatic black and white outfit idea. So naturally I have the black satin slip maxi dress as the main focal piece of the outfit, and for the rest of my accessories I picked white. So let's start off with my choice of outerwear. I went for a white boucle bomber jacket. Now these are really popular at the moment, definitely more of a trend-led style piece, I would say. However, I love it as a transitional piece. I think it looks so good. I really love it styled with this dress actually, because the dress is such a feminine piece, and then the bomber jacket definitely adds a bit more texture to the outfit, which I really love and definitely think it needs it. So really love the addition of this jacket over the top. Also, I like the fact that it's slightly more cropped, so rather than finishing at the hips, for example, it finishes just at the waist. So again, that draws the eye to the waistline. And then for footwear, I decided to go for white strappy sandals. Obviously, the fact that they're white matches the rest of the accessories in this outfit, and the fact that they're a strappy sandal is a great option for spring and summer, in my opinion. When it comes to the springtime, I always struggle with footwear, but I just think that something classic and chic like a pair of white strappy sandals is a really good option for the springtime. Then for my bag, I've just gone for a white crossbody style bag. You can wear this both crossbody or simply over the shoulder like I have done here. Both ways are really wearable in my opinion, and both ways would look really nice with the rest of the outfit. It's definitely a smart casual take on styling the satin slip maxi dress, but I love it. And I think for springtime, the addition of the white accessories really help this outfit feel a bit more spring and summer appropriate. Lastly, we're on to summer styling, and here it really is all about the accessories, because obviously I don't need to add more layers to my summer outfits. So naturally for the summer, it's all about the dress. So once again, I'm focused a little bit more on accessories here, because there's only so much you can do with adding more layers. As it's summer, you don't need to add an outer layer, you don't need any sort of chunky footwear or anything like that. So it really becomes more about the way I can accessorize the dress, and I decided to do this with the help of a black thin belt. I'm really loving this thin belt. I think it's even going to be great for the current season, but here I styled it naturally for summertime. I just belted this at the waist, and rather than letting the dress feel a bit more slinky like it typically does, what I've done is just brought it up slightly over the belt. This really helps transform the dress from something quite smart and quite dressy to something that in my opinion looks quite casual, and it's so easy to achieve by simply adding a thin belt and then overlapping slightly with the top half of the dress. I really like how it looks, and I think it does really help to transform the look and feel of the dress. As I've gone for a casual vibe with my summer outfit, I've gone for black Havaiana flip-flops. Now I wore an outfit very similar to this over the summer this year, and I just loved it. It was so easy. The ease of throwing on a dress in the summer is like no other. It's literally my favorite thing. The majority of my summer wardrobe consists of dresses because they're just so easy to fling on and go. So I kept it simple with flip-flops, which are another piece that you can literally just throw on and go. And then for my bag, I wanted a classic rattan style of bag. This bag can be dressed dressed up or dressed down. It's just such a nice, easy throw on bag, and I feel like if there's one way to describe this outfit, it's as an easily thrown on and go outfit. But I still think it looks really chic and really put together, perfect for the warm summer days. That's how I would style one piece for every season. Let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comments down below out of autumn, winter, spring and summer. I would really love to read your comments and your feedback. So please, if you also have any other suggestions for other videos like this one, then please do comment them down below. A very big thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do come back next week for another new video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. A very big thank you for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye.